Welcome, this is JavaSea. Today we will be learning how you can automate a web browser using Selenium, WebDriver and Java. So I will be making a program that will come to Chrome, search a keyword baseball hats, and then it will scroll to this link MLB shop, and once it gets into this page, it will scroll down and up. For now, let's go to our IDE and create new project. I will call it a web bot, then we are going to use Maven as our build system. Then I create this window. We are there. Yes, so we have these two important files. We are going to edit the main.java and form.xml. Let's start with this. We are going to add a dependency, the one I have just mentioned, Selenium. It's a web automation tool for automating browsers. So I add dependencies, then let's add this particular dependency. Group ID is org.selenium, this one, and then we are going to use a 4.11, and we are done with that file. Let's go to straight to main. We press all this. Then before we start, because we want to declare our web driver, we must have our web driver. In this case, we are going to use Chrome browser. So I have already downloaded Chrome driver. We are going to add it to the project folder. I'll share the download link. Now you can close those, and then we declare our system dot set property web driver. Let me confirm the HC. It is Chrome driver 1. So we will open the browser and search the search engine, which is http dot www.google so the browser is working fine. We can just close it for now and continue. Once the browser open and to get the search engine, then we can say it identify the element, the first element that we want this web automation tool to identify is the search box within the search engine Google. So we'll say here web elements, let's call it web elements equals once we have an instance or for the web element for the search box, that is, so we'll say we search our keyword set keys baseball hat. Yes, it is searching. So after we have sent the key, then we get the results and click on specific link, the one we said that we want to browse different hats from MLP shop. So we have we'll see here. First of all, we need to wait for the driver to load. So we say web driver wait. We wait for 5 seconds, then after we get the let's save it until we submit the keyword, and once we get the result, we're gonna wait for 2 seconds. We wait for 2 seconds so that the results can appear on the page. Once we have done that, then we will identify a specific link. In this case, we want a link that will take us to MLB shop. We'll say driver dot find element by partial text ring. Then once certified that ring, then it will click the ring, and then we wait for another 2 seconds so that the results can appear. Let's say 3 seconds, and then let's try that. Yeah, so our program is working fine, but the size, we need to maximize this window so that diffuse the. So let's close that for now and go back to our code. Yeah, close that. Then back there, immediately after we search Google, we will maximize. We say driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Yeah. And now you can see our browser is now full screen, and that's better. And the last step is to add scroll capabilities, so that once it opens this site, it can scroll down, view items, and maybe scroll back. Let's see, close that for now. Say here is a driver. Going to use JavaScript. JavaScript executor. This one, maybe JE. And declaring an instance Java then using that instance, then we can scroll, execute script. Yeah, and the script is Windows dot scroll we want to scroll vertically, so here the horizontal is scroll none, then we scroll by 250. Start with that. Then yeah, this is supposed to be there. Yeah, then null. We can wait a bit. You can say let's wait for 2 seconds, and then scroll again. We just copy paste this line. We wait for 2 seconds or maybe 1. So we wait for 1 second. We scroll again by 250 vertically. We wait for another 1 second. Then we scroll, so we can just copy paste those lines of code. We wait for 1 second. We scroll again. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Then we go back. We scroll back or upwards 6 times. Now this, instead of 250 down, it will be negative 250, meaning it's scrolling now back to the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yeah, that's it. Let's see. Scroll down and up, but yeah, we made a mistake. This is window, not windows. This is window. Yeah, so let's run the program. Get the search engine, insert keywords, then scroll down to ML Bishop. Yeah, yes, click that link, and then hides the page. Now we are waiting to see whether the program will scroll this page 6 steps down and 6 steps up. So let's wait for it to load. Yeah, 5, 6. Yes, so that's our web browser, our web automation programs here. And maybe use it to place an order or do other stuff online. So thank you guys. This is JavaSea. Always subscribe and hit the notification bell and promote me, guys, and see you next time.